Hello. Good morning sa aking mga kababayan, no? All over the Philippines and all over the world, mga kababayan natin, mga OFW, isang magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Sana nasa mabuting kalagayan kayo saan man kayo sa mundo, anumang tinatrabaho ninyo, sana okay lang kayo dyan. At sa aking mga kababayan dito sa Cebu, maayong buntag kaninyong tanan. Ang mga kababayan ako sa Mindanao o sa Luzon, lahat maayong buntag, no, mga kababayan kong Bisaya, magandang araw, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. By the way, this is Coach Ernie once again, your founder of the Lions Group International, one of the fastest growing group doing live good business. By the way, before anything else, lahat ng mga followers ko sa aking Facebook profile, Ernie User, maraming salamat. At sa aking mga subscriber pala sa aking YouTube channel, sa Coach Ernie Vlog, thank you very much. And to all of you watching right now na hindi pa nakasubscribe, kindly subscribe. Of course sa aking YouTube channel for those who are into network business. Anyway, sa aking mga previous videos, if you remember, mga kababayan at mga kaibigan, I talk about those top 10 reasons why you join network business. That's one. And second, yung last is yung top reasons also, or top 10 factors before to consider before you join network business. So by the way, in this video, in connection to those previous two videos that I made, mga kababayan at mga kaibigan, I'm going to discuss now in this video, for all of you watching right now, to all of you who are planning to engage in network business, and for all of you right now watching who are into network business and you're not happy with your company right now, no, and you are planning to looking for another really great company to join. Now please finish this video, because I'm going to share in this video the top 5 reasons why you must and you should join Live Good Company USA. Why? So ito yung top 5, mga kaibigan at mga kababayan. So I want you to finish this video, because I'm going to share all of you watching right now top 5 reasons why you must or you should join Live Good Company USA, mga kababayan at mga kaibigan. Now, number 1 is Live Good Company USA. Number 1 reasons why you must join this company, because it is 100% online. 100% online. Ang daming mga advantages and benefits pag ang iyong company is 100% online. Why? Because your market, mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, your market is the world. Your market is buong mundo. Prospects mo buong mundo. You can do business anytime, anywhere, provided mayroon kang cellphone, mayroon kang mobile data, mayroon kang wifi. You can do business kahit anong oras. At lahat ng mga prospect mo all over the Philippines, all over the world, can join you, can be your downline, can be your partner in the business, because ang gawin mo lang is ipadala mo yung link mo for them to fill up. No need to go to the office and fill up the membership form, because it's not online. This Live Good Business Company is 100% online. So lahat ng mga kakilala mo, mga kaibigan mo, na saan man dito sila sa Pilipinas at saan man sila sa mundo, you can reach them out and convince them, tell them the opportunity that Live Good Business is 100% online. So yun ang mga top reasons, one of the top reasons, mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, why you should join Live Good Business Company, because it is 100% online. Ang daming advantages once again. Kasi ang daming ding mga companies ngayon na they are not 100% online. They are traditional business, traditional doing traditional way of doing the business. Although they are network companies, they are MLM companies, but they are traditional. They are not 100% online. Their market is very limited. Nasa ilang countries lang yan sila. In fact, right now, mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, ang Livegood Company USA has a membership right now in over 200 countries. I'll repeat, the membership of Livegood Company has presence in more than 200 countries already. That's how big, that's how advantageous if you are in a company who are 100% online. Your market is the world. You can do business all over the world. For as long na mayroong Filipinos right now all over the world, naka-scattered all over the world as an OFW, as a caregiver, as a nurse. In fact, right now mga kaibigan, mga kababayan, in US alone, in America alone, there are almost 5 million Filipino Americans. That's your prospect. That's your prospect, mga kababayan at mga kaibigan. Why? Because these people, our kababayans in America alone, numbering almost 5 million people, they are in need of our product. They are in need of supplements. Okay? So once again, that is number one reason why you should join Livegood Business, because it is 100% online. No more paperwork here, mga kaibigan, mga kababayan. 100% online. Should you just log in sa Linktor mo, then you can fill up there, you can sign up there anywhere in the world, basta mayroon kang cellphone. And mga kaibigan, mga kababayan, lahat ng tao sa mundong ito halos mayroon ng cellphone. Halos lahat mayroon ng cellphone. Kahit sa bundok may mga cellphone na. So even dito kung nasa bundok ka, you can still do the business. Basta may cellphone ka, may wifi ka, may mobile data ka, you can do the business. That's why ang daming mga advantages, mga kababayan ko, pag ang yung company like Livegood is 100% online. Ilan lang yan dyan. May mga companies dyan na still they are not online. They are not online. So ang daming mga advantages pag online ka. So again, that's one reason why you should do or you should join Livegood, because it is 100% online. Second, mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, why Livegood is really an opportunity that you won't miss. Okay? Second is that the Livegood Company USA, okay, their products, mga kababayan ko, is karamihan or almost all products of Livegood Company USA is US FDA certified organics. It's quality products, mga kaibigan, mga kababayan. At lahat ng tao sa mundo nangangailangan ng supplements all over the world. We are in need of supplements. And the mission of the company, I will just share the mission of the company, is to make people healthy in affordable way. So ibig sabihin, pala mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, pag member ka ng Livegood, ang quality ng products pero mabibili mo lang sa napakamurang presyo. That's guaranteed, mga kaibigan at mga kababayan. That's guaranteed for all the members and affiliates of Livegood Company. You can buy the product at factory price. Yun ang isa sa mga the best na reasons. If right now you're still buying very expensive supplements, mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, now you need to consider, you need to check this out. Livegood Company, quality products, US FDA certified organics, halos lahat ng products nila. And mind nyo, mga kababayan at mga kaibigan, there are still more and more products in the pipeline. So 2025 is really great, no? In fact, right now magsi-celebrate pa lang ng 2 years anniversary ang Livegood Company USA. So once again, mga kababayan, ang second reason why you should join Livegood Company is that yung quality products niya is US FDA certified organics at napakamura lang. Third reason why you should join Livegood Company, mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, is that yung compensation plan niya. Yung compensation plan niya is, I would say, unique, in such a way na mayroon siyang tinatawag na matrix income, matrix bonus. Matrix bonus because mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, ang unique ang Live Good kasi ang monthly maintenance kasi niya, is hindi ka na bibili ng product, yung maintenance mo. Here sa Live Good Company mga kababayan is subscription. Yung subscription, ang daming mga companies right now, their business is subscription. Like for example, Netflix, Zoom company, Amazon Prime, Landers in the Philippines, S&R, subscription, monthly, mayroong dyan, yearly, nagre-renew yung mga tao para maka-avail sila sa lahat ng products ng company na member sila. Sa Live Good Company mga kababayan, subscription tayo. Subscription lang tayo at a very I would say very small amount of monthly subscription. You can now avail of USFD certified organic products at more products to come ng Live Good Company. More and more products in the pipeline. So, compensation plan mga kababayan at mga kaibigan. Through subscription, pag nakabuo ka ng malaking team dito, yung binabayad ng mga members mo down the line is by way of doing subscription. A little bit of that percentage, a little of that money goes to you as a sponsor, as an upline. So, subscription. Kahit na kumita ka ng 1 million buwan-buwan, 2 million buwan-buwan mga kaibigan, mga kababayan, take a look, okay? Kumikita ka or may expect ka na 1 million o 2 million income monthly later on sa Live Good. Alam mo ba kung ano lang requirement sa'yo? 590 pesos lang. Subscription lang yan. Sa ibang company mga kababayan at mga kaibigan, ang laki ng requirement mo. Pag mayroon kang 1 million na matatawag natin na commission sa inyong grupo, ang daming i-comply mo. May mga companies na ganun, traditional company, traditional networking company. Kailangan mo bibili ka ng products. Bibili ka ng products for you to qualify, for you to get the 1 million or whatever amount of your commissions for your group in that month. You need to buy products. Dito sa Live Good Company mga kababayan, Sin City, subscription lang, 590 lang, whatever amount, whatever commissions in that particular month, subscription lang ang bayaran mo buwan-buwan, monthly, 590 pesos. Yun, makakuha mo na yung benefits mo. Now, pang-apat mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, yung pang-apat na reasons why you must or you should join Live Good Business or Live Good Company USA is that in the world right now or sa industriya ng network marketing right now sa mundo, Live Good Company is the most affordable way of doing online business. You know what, mga kaibigan, mga kababayan, sa halaga ng 2,900 pesos or about $49.95, ang binili mo yan is yung online office mo, online store mo, online marketing tools mo, online dashboard mo, lahat ng gamitin mo sa negosyo mo online. Yun ang binili mo sa halaga ng 2,900. That is lifetime mga kaibigan at mga kababayan. Sa halaga ng 2,900, mayroon ka ng online, legit online business. Imagine mo, sa ibang mga company, for you to be part of that company, sa mga traditional, magkano ang ikakasaot mo mga kaibigan at mga kababayan? Mayroon dyan 30,000, mayroon dyan 50,000, mayroon dyan, I'm sorry to say this, but this is reality. Ang daming mga companies na yun, ng mga traditional networking companies, mag-i-invest ka ng napakalaki for you to join in their company. 100,000, 20,000, 50,000. Bibilhin mo, how many heads? Bibili mo 21 heads. Bibilihin mo 7 heads. Imagine, may mga company hanggang ngayon at dami pa rin nilang nakukuhang mga members because hindi natin sila na-reach out. Ngayon na alam mo na in this video, at least alam mo na ngayon na mayroong company pala, Live Good Company, na napakamura lang i-maintain na negosyo, napakamura lang ang membership niya lifetime. It's only 2,900 pesos mga kaibigan, mga kababayan, o $49.95 ating mga Filipino Americans living in the USA right now, and you are almost 5 million people. Sana makapanood kayo sa video na ito, at kung wala pa kayong kumbaga kakilala na nag-remind sa iyo or nag-promote sa iyo or nag-share sa inyo ng Live Good Company, in this video you can you can join the company right away by just clicking my Linktor, my own Linktor, mga kaibigan, mga kababayan. Nasa taas lang, mamaya nasa sa video na to, nandyan lang yung Linktor. It's www.livegoodtour.com/audaction ang Linktor ko. You just click it and you will see there's a 5-minute video sa aming chairman, Mr. Ben Glenske, at saka mayroong pangalan mo, ilagay mo name mo, at saka yung email address mo, then click join, and then you fill up other details. Then for your payments, okay mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, you can use any card, Mastercard, Visa, GoTime card here in the Philippines. If you are in the Philippines, GoTime card, GCash card, pwede, basta it is Mastercard or Visa, credit card, any card will do. Napakadali lang, parang nag-order ka lang online. Yun lang pipilapan mo. Now, that's 4, no? Panglima mga kaibigan, mga kababayan. 5, the last 5 reasons why you must join Live Good Company USA. Panglima is that, okay? Panglima yun, Panglima is ease of doing the business. Ease of doing the business because mga kaibigan, mga kababayan ko, it's online. Again, it's online. Kahit saan ka, kahit nagtatrabaho ka during your break time, lunch break, you can do the business. You can do the business, mga kaibigan at mga kababayan. Napakadali lang. That's why dito, kahit na walang pinipili dito, mga kaibigan, mga kababayan, basta marunong kang mag-cellphone, touch screen ang cellphone mo, may wifi ka lang, may data ka lang para maka-market ka sa iyong sa business mo, okay? Plus mga kaibigan, mga kababayan, in addition to that, no, ito na lang panghuli, okay? So aside sa 5 pa yan, mga kaibigan, mayroon panghuli, okay, na isi-share ko sa inyo. Now, why is it that you must really join Live Good Company USA, mga kaibigan at mga kababayan? Ito, di ba kung naalala niyo during kung naka-attend po kayo ng mga seminars, mga networking seminars, mga MLM business seminars, ang speaker dyan, kung na-remember ninyo, naalala niyo yung tinatawag na law of the first. Law of the first, mga kaibigan at mga kababayan. Sa law of the first, ibig sabihin, pag ang isang kumpanya baguhan pa lang at nag-join ka, ang daming mga advantages na mangyayari sa iyo. Ang daming mga companies ngayon, okay, I'm talking of traditional companies, no? 10 years ago, 20 years ago, nag-join sila at nagpatuloy sila. Noon, sabay sila sa paglaki ng company. Ang dami nilang nakukuhang mga members and downlines. Kumikita din sila. Kasi nga sa law of the first. So if you consider this law of the first as an advantage in doing network business, look no further, mga kaibigan at mga kababayan. Live Good Company, magse-celebrate pa lang siya ngayong buwan na to, December of 2024. Magto 2 years pa lang siya. So law of the first. Kaya nga, imagine what will happen ngayon sa mga members na nag-members na ngayon sa halaga ng 2,900 at sa halaga ng 590 pesos monthly maintenance mo sa business as your subscription for you to remain active, 3 years from now, 3 to 5 years from now, imagine what will happen, mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, na ikaw yung nakauna at ikaw yung nag-recruit sa mga kaibigan mo, mga kasamahan mo, mga kasamaan mo sa trabaho, mga kaibigan mo, mga relatives mo na hindi pa nakapag-member na nangangailangan ng supplement na mura-mura, hindi kakaya ang products ng Live Good mga kaibigan kasi USFDA Certified Organics. USFDA Certified Organics. So mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, if you find value in this video na pinamagatan kong top 5 reasons why you should join Live Good Business Company, kindly click and share, kindly click and share sa aking Facebook and share this video, and you can contact me. Naisulat ko sa sa ibabaw ang link tour ko for you to join wherever you are right now mga kaibigan, mga kababayan, mga minamahal natin mga OFW. You are welcome in this company. So once again, this is Coach Ernie saying God bless. See you at the top. Bye for now.